There is a canal in the Hutongs in Beijing, nestled in the alleys east of Shichahai. It has a beautiful name, Jade River. Why is it called this name? What role did it play in Beijing's ancient water conservancy projects? Today, I will learn about the story of the Jade River, explore this historic waterway together, and experience its deep connection with Beijing's ancient neighborhoods. Hello everyone, my name is Marina. I live in China and study at Tonghui University. This is the Yuhe site. This river was once an important part of the Tonghui River during the Yuan Dynasty. It meanders through the old hutongs of Beijing, witnessing the prosperity and transformation of this city. This bridge is called Tonghui Bridge, an ancient Yuan Dynasty bridge. Through archaeological excavations, the remains of its foundation are now visible beneath us.
The Yuhe River is a waterway of great historical significance within Beijing. During the Yuan Dynasty, it served as an important part of the Tonghui River. Stretching nearly 8 kilometers, it was the final section of the Grand Canal that carried grain all the way into the capital. Originating from Shichahai, it passed Wanning Bridge and Tonghui Bridge before flowing into the Imperial City. More than just a transport channel, Yuhe also provided water supply and drainage, earning the name Imperial River, Yuhe, among the people. In the early Ming Dynasty, however, as the city walls were shifted southward and the Baifu Spring, the source of the Tonghui River, gradually dried up, the water volume of Yuhe diminished. Its canal functions declined, and the river slowly faded from public view. In recent years, archaeological excavations have gradually revealed riverbed remains and bridge foundations from the Yuan, Ming, and Qing dynasties. These findings allow people once again to reconnect with this ancient waterway that carried the memory of Beijing's water transport.
There is an information board about the relics. Let's take a look together. It says there was a water gate known as Chengqing Zhongzha, Central Chengqing Sluice. I recall there's also a water gate not far from here, near Wanning Bridge. Why were these sluices built so close to each other?
The Chengqing sluices consisted of 3 parts, upper, middle, and lower. They were part of a lock system built along the Tonghui River by Guo Shoujing, a renowned hydraulic engineer of the Yuan Dynasty, to overcome the elevation difference between the higher northwest and the lower southeast, thus facilitating canal transport. In 2013, the upper and middle Chengqing Sluice were inscribed as a nationally protected cultural heritage site as an important component of the Beijing-Hangzhou Grand Canal.
I'm now in the cafe located in the former Yuhan temple. I wonder if they have anything I can try here. Let's go and find out.
In 2006, Beijing launched Yuhe Historical and Cultural Restoration Project, which restored 1.05 kilometers of the river channel and partially revived the historical water system of the old capital. Today, the Yuhe River once again presents the appearance of the ancient city, outlining the contours of the eastern Imperial City and complementing the landscape pattern of the central axis. As a cultural space showcasing the heritage of the Grand Canal, the area now hosts cafes and shared spaces that offer tranquility amidst the bustle, allowing the ancient Yuhe to blend and coexist with the modern metropolis.
In the hutongs, water and people have always coexisted, bound together. Waterways served as a stage for everyday life, showing us not only the ancient buildings and streets, but also the stories of those who once lived here. With the passage of time, these hutongs have gradually been surrounded by modern life. Yet, thanks to preservation projects like the Yuhe Restoration, they continue to retain their history and culture. Walking here, we can almost return to that era when the canal system connected every corner of the city.
From a vital canal route to a leisure space, the Yuhe River carries the urban memory and emotions of Beijing. Every stretch of river, every bridge, and every alley is connected to ancient stories and threads of tradition. As the modern city develops, these historical relics continue to preserve our ties to the past, reminding us not to forget where we came from, even as we pursue the future.